Hi everyone. Welcome to the Garden Isle, a place of breathtaking beauty and endless adventure. From its stunning beaches to its rugged mountains, Kauai is a paradise unlike any other. Join us as we explore the best things to do on this enchanting island, where every moment is a new discovery and every experience is unforgettable. Number 1. Explore Waimea Canyon State Park. Waimea Canyon State Park, sometimes known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, first gained popularity in 1869 when American explorer John Wesley Powell visited the island. The vast canyon at the south shore was produced by the Waimea River, which carved a passage through the basalt and lava deposits, as well as the central volcano, which collapsed 10 million years ago. The park is a stunning natural wonder, abounding with gushing waterfalls, coastal cliffs, and lush vegetation. Visit the several lookouts for breathtaking views of the park, including Pu Hanahina, Waimea Canyon Lookout, and Kalalau Lookout. It's also a good idea to bring adequate hiking shoes if you're going on a difficult hike here. Some routes are covered in thick red mud or clay, which can make the hike slippery. Number 2. Join a boat tour of Hanalei Bay. Hanalei Bay, the largest bay on Kauai's north shore, is one of the top things to do in Kauai because of its stunning seascape framed by mountain peaks. Hanalei Bay, known for its breathtaking vistas, is featured on the top boat cruises. The bay is popular for boating, surfing, and swimming. It is home to 3 beaches: Hanalei Beach Park, Waimea Beach Park, and Black Pot Beach. Hanalei Town is nearby, and it is bustling with restaurants, local stores, and water sports rentals such as kayaks to hit the surf of Hanalei Bay. On a food tour with a professional guide, you'll visit the top culinary hotspots and food trucks in Kauai, walk through local neighborhoods, sample the unique cuisines of Hawaii's various cultures, and meet local entrepreneurs and chefs. Number 3. Snorkel in the crystalline waters of Tunnels Beach. Makua Beach, also known as Tunnels Beach, is a must-see destination for travelers on the North Shore. Exploring these waters promises glimpses of vibrantly colored aquatic species because of the coral reef that runs up to the coast, which serves as a tropical home for marine life. Underwater turtles are frequently seen in this location, either swimming in the water in search of food or dozing in the little underwater caves. Number 4. Enjoy a family day at Poipu Beach Park. Poipu Beach Park is a crescent-shaped beach popular with both visitors and locals on Kauai's South Shore. Its crystal-clear waters are ideal for swimming, surfing, snorkeling, and bodyboarding. The surrounding natural wading pool is perfect for young swimmers, and the presence of on-site lifeguards makes this beach suitable for families. Visiting Poipu Beach, one of the top 10 best beaches in the country, is one of the best things to do on Kauai. Sightings of endangered monk seals are common since they prefer the sandbar for a relaxing snooze. You may even go whale watching between March and November. Number 5. Sink into the sand at Shipwreck Beach. Shipwreck Beach, off the beaten route, is famous for its rock passage shipwrecks. The World War II Liberty ship, a rotting 1940s oil ship, menaced Kauai Bay's coral reef until it was dismantled. An American ship, the London, was also wrecked here and is claimed to have carried a cargo of silver and gold, though no one knows if all of it was retrieved. Swimming and snorkeling are not recommended at Shipwreck Beach due to the high waves and rip currents. Number 6. Bask in breathtaking sunsets at Kee Beach. Kee Beach, protected by a reef, is an ideal spot for snorkeling and swimming, particularly during the summer when the waves are calmer. Kee Beach is family-friendly, with tranquil waters perfect for beginner swimmers to cool off and play. Located in Hanalei State Park, the beach is a serene, tranquil sanctuary just off the Kalalau trailhead, surrounded by Napoli rocks. The sunsets here are notoriously beautiful, making for a romantic setting or a magical moment with family and friends. Number 7. Look through the historic Kauai Lighthouse. The Kauai Lighthouse is an iconic landmark of the Kauai Point National Wildlife Refuge, which is a breeding place for Hawaiian seabirds. The refuge is one of the few places where visitors can see the wedge-tailed shearwater, Laysan albatross, and red-footed bobby in their natural environment. The lighthouse was built in 1913 to keep ships from slamming onto the rocky shoreline. Number 8. Suntan and cool off with shaved ice at Kalapaki Beach. Kalapaki Beach, owned by the Kauai Marriott Beach Resort, is well known for its perfect seas for swimming, boogie boarding, and stand-up paddleboarding. Some individuals come here specifically to learn how to surf, which is made easier by the milder waves. A big break wall shields the beach from the ocean, making it a favorite leisure spot. Noelawilai Harbor cruise ships can be seen from the shore. And that wraps up our guide to the best things to do in Kauai, Hawaii. We hope this video has inspired you to visit this beautiful island and create your own unforgettable memories. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips.